Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll discuss the acid base behavior of group 4 elements. Now today we'll discuss the group 4th element. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि ग्रुप जो 4 एलिमेंट्स हैं उसमें कार्बन, सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम, टिन एंड लेड with the electronic configuration ns2 np2, so there are total 4 electron in their valence shell. चूँकि चौथा ग्रुप जो है जिसमें कार्बन, सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम, टिन और लेड है, इनके वैलेंस शेल में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं और इनकी वैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन जो है वो ns2 np2 है. सो देयर आर 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द valence shell of the group 4 elements. Now the acid base behavior of group 4th elements, that is the oxides. We have to discuss the acid basic behavior of the oxides. Now the group 4th A oxides are acidic in character. This behavior decreases down the group. कि जो ग्रुप 4th एलिमेंट्स हैं ये बेसिक इन कैरेक्टर हैं, यूजुअली दे आर बेसिक एंड दिस कैरेक्टर दे आर एसिडिक एंड दिस बिहेवियर डिक्रीजेस डाउन द ग्रुप. द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड्स ऑफ कार्बन, दैट इज कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Similarly, the silicon dioxide, they are acidic in nature. But as we go from top to the bottom, this character decreases. That is, the oxides of lead, they are very slightly acidic. They have some basic character as well. So these three, they are amphoteric, means that they show both acidic and basic properties. So you can say in other sense that we are having acidic character from top to the amphoteric character at the bottom. So this basically the behavior in general, that group 4th A oxides are acidic in character. This behavior decreases down the group, that the oxides of carbon and silicon, especially the carbon dioxide and silicon dioxide, they are acidic in nature, whereas this acidity decreases down the group. So these are weakly acidic, they are more weakly acidic, and these are slight, very very slight acidic, means that they have got some amphoteric character. Amphoteric means that they show both acidic and basic properties in sense. Now we will discuss the oxides of carbon. Number 1, carbon monoxide. Number 2, carbon dioxide. The carbon monoxide is slightly acidic in nature, but almost it is neutral in nature. Basically, the carbon monoxide is slightly in nature, so it does not react with the water. It does not react with water, but reacts with a base, sodium hydroxide, to form सोडियम मीथेनोएट, इसको फॉर्मेट भी कहते हैं, दैट इज CO plus NaOH gives HCOONa. This is sodium for methanoate or sodium formate. Whereas the carbon dioxide, it reacts with water to produce hydrogen ions and carbonate or bicarbonate ions, that is CO2 plus water. This gives H ions plus CO3 ions or H ions in aqueous form plus HCO3. This is hydrogen carbonate. This is hydrogen carbonate. It reacts with, its solution is known as carbonic acid solution. Acid solution. So in generally we can say that the oxides of the group fourth, especially the oxides, they are acidic in character, and this behavior decreases down the group that we are moving towards the bottom, where it has very slight acidic character, and you can say that somewhat they become basic, slightly basic at the bottom. So they are generally amphoteric. So they react with the acids as well as the base. But in general, the oxides of carbon, that is the carbon monoxide, which is slightly acidic in nature and almost neutral, but it does not react with water but reacts with base to form sodium methanoate, और सिंपली दी सोडियम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को जब हम पानी में सैचुरेट करते हैं तो इसको हम कार्बोनेटेड वाटर भी बोलते हैं, और उस कार्बोनेटेड वाटर में बेसिकली ये कार्बनिक एसिड बनता है, जो कि बेसिकली एच आयंस और कार्बोनेट आयंस या एच आयंस और बाइकार्बोनेट आयंस जो सोल्यूशन के अंदर मौजूद होते हैं, तो नॉर्मली इनको हम कार्बनिक सोल्यूशन भी कहते हैं. नाउ दी oxides being in acidic nature react with a base sodium hydroxide in cold state to produce oxide, that is the carbon dioxide, especially to produce sodium carbonate and bicarbonate, either sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, that is NaOH plus CO2. This is acidic and this is base. Now it produces Na2CO3 plus water, or NaOH plus CO2 gives NaHCO3. This is sodium carbonate and this is sodium bicarbonate. Now this is the basically acidic nature. This is the acidic nature, that how it will act as acid. They will react with the base to form sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, depending on the relative amount कि आप किस रेशो से इसको ले रहे हैं, तो उसमें कार्बोनेट भी बन सकता है और बाइकार्बोनेट बनता है. ये बेसिकली हमें जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एज एसिड जो है, यानी ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बीइंग इन एसिडिक नेचर, सो इट विल रिएक्ट विद ए बेस टू फॉर्म sodium carbonate, and this is sodium hydrogen carbonate, or you can say it is sodium bicarbonate. The sodium, the silicon dioxide reacts with hot and concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide to produce sodium silicate, that is Na2SiO3, that is NaOH plus SiO2 gives Na2SiO3 plus water. Now this basically here it is again behaving as acid and this is behaving as a base. Now this sodium सिलिकेट, इसको हम लिक्विड स्लैग भी बोलते हैं. ये बेसिकली जो रिएक्शन है, इसको हम फॉर दी रिफाइनिंग ऑफ आयरन, जब हम ब्लास्ट फर्नेस में ये रिएक्शन कराते हैं तो उसमें भी हम इसको कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड के साथ भी हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल CaO plus SiO2 gives SiO3. This is called calcium silicate. Again, this is base or basic, and this is acidic. Now calcium this is a liquid slag. This is calcium silicate, which is also produced during the refining of the iron. जब हम ब्लास्ट फर्नेस में ये आयरन की रिफाइनिंग जब करते हैं तो उसमें इन ऑक्साइड्स को जो है वो सिलिकेट एज ए स्लैग इनको अलग कर लिया जाता है और इसको हम कैल्शियम सिलिकेट कहते हैं. हियर अगेन it is behaving as an acidic oxide. So normally the oxides of carbon, that is carbon dioxide, even carbon monoxide, or the silicon dioxide, they are acidic in character, or usually they react with the base to form the salts. तो लिहाजा ये चीज़ें जो हैं वो मज़ीद इसको हम इसको ले सकते हैं और इस तरह ये इसके हम जो एसिडिक नेचर है. Now we will discuss the oxides of germanium, tin and lead. Now these oxides are of two types, that are monoxides and dioxides. So there are two types of oxides, monoxide and dioxides. Now first of all we will discuss the monoxides. In general, the oxides of germanium, tin and lead are amphoteric in nature. Normally जो oxides of germanium, tin and lead, they are amphoteric in nature, but these oxides are of two types, that is monoxide and dioxide. So first of all we will discuss the monoxides. Now number one, basic nature, because they are basic as well as acidic. Amphoteric means that they show acidic behavior as well as basic behavior. Now first of all we will see the basic behavior or the basic nature. The monoxides of group 4th A elements react with concentrated HCl to produce MCl2, that is MO. This is monoxide. It reacts with HCl concentrated, produces MCl2 plus water. This M may be germanium and tin, whereas lead shows relatively different behavior. That is, it reacts with dilute HCl to form an insoluble PbCl2. That is PbO plus 2HCl. This is aqueous, dilute. This will be PbCl2 plus H2O. In the presence of concentrated HCl, it produces a soluble complex of lead 4, that is PbCl2 plus chloride. This form PbCl4. This is the soluble complex. Now we come to the acidic nature. As you know, they are amphoteric, so they show acidic as well as basic properties. All these react with a base. For example, MO plus base, this is acidic, this is a base, to form MO2 type plus water. In case of lead oxide, it will form PbO2 2 minus ion. इसको प्लम्बेट आयन बोलते हैं. तो लिहाजा ये जो मोनोक्साइड्स हैं कि ऑक्साइड बेसिकली दो तरह के हम यहाँ डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, मोनोक्साइड एंड डाइऑक्साइड. इन जनरल तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये जो ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ ये सारे जो हैं ये बेसिकली एम्फोटेरिक हैं. और एम्फोटेरिक मीन के बेसिक करैक्टर भी शो करते हैं, एसिडिक भी शो करते हैं, जैसे बेसिक भी हमने डिस्क्राइब किया. और ऑल दीज रिएक्ट विद द बेस to form the basic neutral solution. Now the dioxides, germanium, tin and lead, these are amphoteric in nature, that is show acidic as well as basic nature. तो जितने भी डाइऑक्साइड्स हैं जर्मेनियम के या एसएन के या, तो नॉर्मली ये एम्फोटेरिक इन करेक्टर होते हैं कि ये एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ भी शो करते हैं और बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ भी शो करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम चेक करेंगे इनकी एसिडिक नेचर, इन डाइऑक्साइड की एसिडिक नेचर। द डाइऑक्साइड्स रिएक्ट विद अ बेस, फॉर एग्जांपल सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, टू प्रोड्यूस a soluble complex of MOH for 2 minus. Now MO2 plus 2OH negative plus water gives MOH 6 2 minus. The lead dioxide reacts with molten NaOH to produce Na2PbO3, that is PbO2 plus NaOH gives Na2PbO3 plus water. So the reaction some sources they suggest that lead dioxide reacts differently in different conditions, that is in the molten forms relatively at higher temperature, in the liquid form to produce sodium plumbite plus water. Now the basic nature, the dioxides reacts with concentrated HCl to form MCl4, that is MO2 plus HCl concentrated gives MCl4 plus 2H2O. So here it is in the oxidation state plus 4. In excess of HCl, chloride ions, PbCl4 plus 2Cl negative, Cl6 minus 2. The overall reaction is described as, that is MO2 plus 6HCl gives MCl6 2 minus plus 2H2 plus Cl negative. So this is the overall reaction that will take place in the excess of the chloride ions. The following reaction will occur, that is MO2 plus 4HCl plus 2Cl negative. This is a complex in the 4 oxidation state plus water. In case of lead dioxide, this reaction is carried in cold state to avoid the decomposition of lead-4 into lead-2 ions. So this basically reaction in general is that is the M here is germanium and tin. So in case of lead dioxide, this reaction is carried out in cold state to avoid the decomposition of a lead chloride. So this is basically the in general acid basic behavior of the chloride group 4th element, and here we have discussed the oxides of germanium, tin and lead. They form two types of oxide, that is monoxide, that is dioxides. In general, all these oxides of germanium, tin and lead, they are amphoteric in nature. They are amphoteric in nature, either the monoxides or the dioxides. In case of dioxides of germanium and tin lead, these are basically amphoteric in nature, so they again show the acidic as well as the basic behavior. जिस तरह हमने पहले इसमें acidic behavior को show किया है कि किस तरह ये बेस के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं, और यहाँ पे जो इनकी बेसिक नेचर है बुनियादी तौर पे, ये बेसिकली हम यहाँ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि जी डाइऑक्साइड्स दे रिएक्ट विद concentrated HCl to form MCl4, or in the excess of chloride ions or HCl, we have a complex that is hexachloro M2 4 ions. overall this reaction can be summed up as this, but here the germanium and tin usually show this type of basic character, but in case of lead dioxide, this reaction is carried in the cold state or at low temperature to avoid the decomposition of lead 4 into lead 2 ions. Now this was all about the oxides of एसिडिक बेसिक ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ ग्रुप 4th। इसमें हमने डिफरेंट ऑक्साइड्स को डिस्कस किया है, जिसमें कार्बन और सिलिकॉन के जो ऑक्साइड्स हैं, जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, इवन कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड है, दे आर स्लाइटली एसिडिक। सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड इज आल्सो एसिडिक एंड दिस एसिडिक कैरेक्टर डिक्रीजेज डाउन द ग्रुप इन द 4th एलिमेंट, दैट द ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ कार्बन एंड सिलिकॉन दे आर एसिडिक, whereas these are slightly acidic, but they as we go down the group there is some sort of basic character, but they don't lose the acidic character, so they are amphoteric. They are amphoteric in nature. Therefore these show the acidic as well the basic character in general. इसके बाद हमने फिर सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड को डिस्कस किया, और उसके बाद फिर जो ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ जर्मेनियम एंड टिन हैं, ये मैंने आपको डिस्क्राइब किया कि ये मोनोऑक्साइड्स भी बनाते हैं, डाइऑक्साइड्स भी बनाते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट 2 भी है, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट 4 भी है। तो इन जनरल इनके ऑक्साइड चूँकि एम्फोटेरिक इन नेचर होते हैं, तो बुनियादी तौर पे ये बेसिक और एसिडिक करेक्टर इनके दोनों होते हैं। तो उसमें मोनोऑक्साइड्स को पहले हमने डिस्कस किया, और फिर यहाँ पे हमने डाइऑक्साइड को डिस्कस किया। तो ओवरऑल हम ये डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं कि किस तरह ये मुख्तलिफ जो हमारे ऑक्साइड्स हैं उनको हम डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह वी विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। टिल देन अल्लाह हाफिज़, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।